So this is the free website that Paparazzi gives to all of their paparazzi consultants, and you can also access it through shinewithaloha808.com. So you're going to want to sign up as a customer under my account. So if you clicked that link that I sent you, or you saw it on one of my posts, you're going to come to this page. If you don't have a Paparazzi account already, this is the time to do so. Now, one of the reasons why you want to do this is because you can now have access to the pieces on my Paparazzi website, including any of the life of the party pieces, any pink diamond, black diamond pieces. Now, those are only exclusive to the actual Paparazzi independent consultant or their upline that has given them that right. As of October 27, 2021, my upline is Rochelle Beachy, and her beautiful oil spill stretchy bracelet is being launched today. So you're going to want to sign up as a customer. So first, create a Paparazzi account by clicking that. Now you're going to enter in your email address, your username, first name, last name, your address, city, state, phone number, and a password. The reason for that is because you're going to need a login information to log in as a customer. So let's do that right now. So now let's log in. So now I'll be able to shop as a customer. So you want to click the 3 bars on the far right and click shop. As you can see here, there's categories on the top. You just have to scroll through them as to whatever you want. As of tomorrow, we'll have access to the Black Diamond fan favorite, as you can see right here. So we have just under 20 hours to have full exclusive access, and you can order as many as you want, as long as the system allows it. So let's just say you wanted 15. It's going to be as simple as that. As soon as this timer counts down to all zeros, you'll see an add button there. All you have to do is click on the ad, and then it'll go right into your shopping bag, which is the top right, and it'll add your 15 in. That's all you have to do. Now, since we're already on this page, you can also explore other things. So if you click that shop button again, you can actually explore other things to shop. So you can go for hair accessories, inspirational pieces, maybe even the fashion fix if you like. There's necklaces. There's actually new releases, which are consultants actually shop Monday through Friday. And that will be all the bling that you guys can see as well. So here you go. This is all the pieces that we order as consultants for $2.75. As a customer, you'll be paying the $5 retail value. So this is one of the reasons why you want to consider actually being a consultant, because you can shop at the discount price. Now, remember, you don't have to work the business if you don't want to, but you do have that option to work the business if you so please do. And these are all the necklaces. It usually goes right into the rings, but you have so many to choose from. There's the rings, and then it'll go straight into the actual earrings, which we have all of these right here. Then it'll go right into the bracelets, or at least the hair accessories if there's any left. There's our hair accessories, and then right into the bracelets. So there's a lot to choose from that you're just gonna love. Remember, shipping is a flat rate of $5.95, but if you purchase $100 or more, shipping is free, and you'll get all the items directly from the Paparazzi company. So your items will get to you faster because that is a priority for them to ship out to all customers. So take advantage of that free shipping by spending $100 or more. Consider joining with our $99 Paparazzi starter kit. You'll have 35 pieces of beautiful, all different random bling, and you'll have full exact access right after. You'll get an email with access to the Paparazzi website like you see here, and now you can purchase the jewelry at $2.75 rather than the $5. Well, I hope this video helped. Happy shopping, be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.